Itanya-inĩ rĩa kũramata ũndũire, ũtonga wa bũrũri na kũgacĩrithia ũgendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, President William Ruto aumagarĩtio nĩ Minista Mũnene Musalia Mudavadi nĩarugũrĩtie nyũmba ya monanio ya Gedi mwena wa Museum kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Agĩtongoria mĩhang'o ĩno, President William Ruto augĩte ũyũ nĩ ũndũ bũrũri wa Kenya ũretĩĩra makĩria kuongerera Gedi ĩrĩ ya kanana ya UNESCO, amu nĩ ĩracora mbica ya harĩa bũrũri wa Kenya ũrũgamĩire harĩ kũramata kũrĩa agendi marĩceraga mũno.
This event offers us a unique opportunity to highlight the monument's exceptional universal value as a global treasure of culture, historical and educational significance. The people of Kenya take immense pride in being custodians of magnificent sites of global importance inscribed onto the UNESCO World Heritage List.
And our president is the champion of the African Union reform issues, and this again gives him an insight into other areas that may require fresh attention.
Oho, Musalia augete ĩno nĩ njĩra ya gũtwarana na cioneki cia ũrũmwe wa mabũrũri.
This is a very significant development because it also blends in with the initiative around the African Union on some very critical areas. Apart from repatriation, there's also the raging debate that is not easy to deal with about reparations. And all this is a step towards resolving some of those bigger challenges.
Maya magĩthiaga na mbere, President William Ruto augĩte ona gũtuĩka bũrũri wa Kenya wanakorwo ũrĩ moko-inĩ ma nyakerũ na ũgatigwo na nguraro, kũrĩ ona ũguni wokanire na mũthũngũ.
We have many complaints against the British because of colonialism and many other things. But we also have something to thank them for. They left one thing in Kenya that works, and that is a system of government. We have a solid administration system that supports the governance of our country.
Gedi Nairobi TV, njĩtagwo Waithĩra wa Nduati.